Hey guys, so we're going to start with these extra long coffin pump up nails by MERCARI. I've already pre-buffed them and got them all ready, and we're going to do one coat of this Nail Reserve Aphrodite's Lover. This is a new shade by them. I got this in my last PR haul from Nail Reserve and I absolutely love it. I just want to make sure that I make the coat really thin because I'm not trying to build color. I just want a base for the cat eye gel that I'm going to put on top of this, and I thought that this color worked absolutely perfect. So I'm just going to put this on every single one of the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to top over them with the cat eye gel. So I just sped this part up a tiny bit just because it's super simple, super self-explanatory. Just make sure you buff your nail tips. If you want, you can use a base coat. I didn't feel like I needed to. These are really nice nail tips. I honestly don't know if they make them anymore, but they're really nice quality and they're super long. So like I said, cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to show you the gorgeous cat eye gel that we're going to use. It is from Born Pretty, and I'm super excited about this nail set because I used jump rings and attached them as piercings. Oh my god, it was so cool. I can't wait to wear these. So this is the Moonlight cat eye gel number 1 from the Born Pretty Moonlight cat eye gel collection, which I also got in PR a while back. These are really gorgeous. They almost give like a beautiful suede nail effect while still being glossy. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see here the effect that I'm talking about. It's just a subtle cat eye effect. It's like glassy, beautiful, and I'm just moving the little particles around with my magnet in no particular way, no rhyme or reason, and curing that for 60 seconds. And I'm just repeating that on all the nails, and I'm trying to do like a little bit of a different cat eye effect on each one. Nothing crazy. This is not the main part of the nails. This is just a nice shimmery gorgeous background because we're going to paint some metallic stars on these nails as well. So if you want to see how to do that, definitely keep on watching, and keep on watching to see how I do the piercing on the nail. I've been wanting to do that for so long. I got the jump rings like, I don't know, over at least 2 months ago, and I don't know what I was waiting for, honestly, but better late than never, and I'm definitely going to do it in more sets. And I feel like this color combination is perfect for fall, so I hope that you like this, and I will have links to everything in the description box. And if you want to buy something from Nail Reserve, I do have a code, and it's HayleyMarie. It will be in my description, and it gets you 50% off. You totally don't have to use that, but feel free if you would like to, and I do make a small commission if you do that. So thank you for helping out the channel if you decide to use my code. So I posted in my community tab 2 Halloween nail photos, and I wanted to see which one that you guys like best because I'm going to recreate that, and I decided which one I'm gonna do, and I'm getting all ready for that video, and I'm so excited. I'm actually like really excited to do the nail set. It's totally like out of my comfort zone. It has a lot of nail art, so we'll see how I do with that, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. I can't wait to film it. I didn't film it yet, but I've been on like such a roll lately. I've been filming pretty much a video a day for the last like 4 days, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. So I'm just taking that liner brush that you saw and this mirror paint gel. This is from like Temu. I do have the one from Born Pretty, which is super gorgeous, but I went with this one because it's a little bit of a thicker consistency, and I find that it's just easier to work with for me personally because I'm a beginner with nail art. So I'm just taking the liner brush and I'm drawing stars as I would on a piece of paper, the same way, you know, the lines and everything, and then I fill it in with the paint gel. And if you mess up, it's okay. Have yourself a little cleanup brush to the side with some alcohol, and you can totally like wipe it away or just do some cleanup around your edges. And I show you, I believe, like 2 or 3 nails, and then we move on to the rhinestones. Okay, so here are the nails with all the stars on them. I think these are so cute. They scream like fall Y2K vibes to me, which I'm absolutely loving. This is definitely something different than what I normally do. I feel like I always choose like pinks and stuff, but these are really pretty and I can't wait to wear them, like I said. So I'm just gonna take some of these little rhinestones here. They're pretty small. They are just regular diamond shined ones, and I'm taking this tiny gem picker and my MERCARI rhinestone glue, and I'm going to show you on one finger. I'm just putting them around the cuticle, and it's again pretty self-explanatory, and I'm just going to repeat it on the other nails off camera. I squeeze out a tiny bit of glue and kind of push it across the cuticle area so I don't get too much, because I don't want like a ton of overflow of the rhinestone glue. So we're just gonna put these babies on there. Okay, so here's what we're looking like with all the cuticles blinged out. I think it looks really pretty and just added a little extra sparkle, which I feel like we always need. So I'm taking my Born Pretty top coat and I'm just gonna top coat these, and I'm doing it off camera. So these are the jump rings. Here I'm taking 2 of the smallest ones and 1 of the next sized ones. And you're also going to need, to make your life easy, a needle nose plier, and I'm going to be using my e-file to create the hole with, and it worked really well. This is my e-file right here. I will find it and link it. It's probably like $30, but it's rechargeable. It works really, really well. I assume as good as expensive ones. So I definitely recommend this e-file, and I will figure out what it is and link it for you guys if you're interested, or if you are in the market for an inexpensive, really good e-file. So we're taking the thumb and the ring finger, and we're going to be doing what you see here. So I put the 2 small ones on the thumb and the bigger one on the ring finger. I didn't want to go too crazy, but I wanted to do a double for sure, and I really like how that turned out. The thumb is my favorite. So I'm turning my drill up to about a 9 to do my little holes with, and it works really well. I got the like pointy bit right there. I'm not sure what it's called, but you can see, and I'm sure you probably have one. It just comes in like all the basic nail kits, and just slowly apply some pressure and create a hole. And I did top coat before this, like I said, and I think that's what you're supposed to do. It worked well. Otherwise you might get more gunked up, so I'm just going to repeat that on the nails.